We want you on stage. మేము ఆ డైలాగ్ రీక్రియేషన్ కోసం పిలిచాము. యా, సో ఎస్, హియర్ వి హ్యావ్ అవర్ జూలియట్. సో సరస్వతి మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
ఏం చెప్పాలి ఈ ఫిల్మ్ గురించి? మై గాడ్, వాట్ అ జర్నీ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్. టు బీ ఆనెస్ట్, టు బిగిన్ విత్, Nagi sir, thank you for introducing me to Telugu cinema. I became his biggest fan when I saw the first, and in Melbourne, Mahanati, and I just told him what a pedda fan I am when it comes to his craft. And the next thing I know is there is Sita Ramam being made, and he recommending my name to Vaijayanti Films. And to begin as a Vaijayanti heroine, it is an honor. I take immense pride in it, and I feel when in an industry, when in Telugu film industry, when you have Swapna Garu, Priyanka and Nagi Garu and Ashwini Dutt sir backing a film, that itself is it's a half winner. You know, the film is already won. The authenticity, the love, the appreciation, and now the support that you guys have given me all throughout my 4 films, it tremendously means the world to me. Thank you so much, Nagi Garu. Swapna, you're the pillar of Telugu film industry. When I go back in Hindi, when people ask me, whose film are you doing? And I say, Swapna Dutt, they say, Ayyo, wow, that's so good. Now when I say Supriya Garu, when I say Supriya, they are like, Mrunal, you're in safe hands. How do you get so lucky, man? And I'm like, I don't know. Like, you know, like Nandini Garu said, I'm a Telugu Ammai. And that's the love that you guys have showered. And I don't know, it's my past life karma that I'm getting this love and appreciation. Just overwhelmed, and I realized that all the 10 years that I've started my journey, all the fights and that I've been through, the struggles, the journey, rejections, it is because for this day, and it is absolutely worth it. Allu sir, you are such a sweetheart. I think all my celebrations you've been a part of. My first Best Actress award was given by you to me. And for you to be here celebrating the success of Decoy truly means the world to me. Vasu sir, thank you. I don't see him here, but honestly, it's so sweet of him to come and talk about the film and the magic that Saraswati has created. To be honest, it is incomplete without the writers, the director, the cinematographer, the editor, the sound, music, BGM. If you take one thing away from me, the film will not land. I think we have today a fantastic team, and we've created some extraordinary, beautiful memories. And I want to give the credit to all you talented people out here for trusting me, because it's been a while that, you know, in my head I used to dream about ek din aisa aayega where these filmmakers will trust me and write roles for me. And today when you all say that, when you all give me an opportunity to perform in front of the camera and create magic, my heart just feels like this is what I dreamt of and all my dreams are coming true. To begin with the captain of the ship, Shinil Garu, you were the most calm, patient, and collaborative directors I've ever worked with. I know sometimes I would get like an enthu cutlet and ask you, tell me, what happens? Induku, ema indi, what is happening? Why would she do this? But for you to patiently answer all my questions, that's the result when you see it on screen. When all my questions were answered, I was satisfied, and hence it could reflect. I could project that character. I could project those emotions on screen. And whenever I could sense the boys were getting little tensed and things are not working out, I would just sneak someone's phone, hide it. I would take a mic, start singing the song. I felt I was the princess on this set. When it comes to Shinil, Shesh, and DB Garu, all three boys truly made me feel like I'm a princess. I could have, we could fun around because the film is so emotionally heavy. And I realized that the boys need a breather. Let me just crack a joke or let me just sing a song and just create a lighter moment so that, there is this lovely, happy atmosphere on set. ఈ మూవీలో the biggest highlight for me is Dhanush Bhaskar. This is such a challenging role as an actress because obviously I'm not in the most glamorous, presented as the glamorous girl, but I don't think I've ever looked so beautiful with my flaws, with those shadows, and the vibe and the aura that you've created when it comes to, it's a visual treat. Welcome to the film industry. Welcome, Dhanush Bhaskar Garu. You are a gemstone, and we are absolutely happy to have you on this film and to many more collaborations together. PK Garu, you broke your neck, you had a baby boy. There are so many things you went through. Oh my God, it's full roller coaster ride. But every time I felt little stuck, every time I felt like something was wrong, you would sneakily just come in like this and like, Mrunal Garu, see this, watch this. And I would just be like, oh my God, he gave me the biggest hint, and I would just go back in front of the camera and create magic. So thank you for being that constant friend, that confidant that I would come and talk and just went out. But congratulations to you, because the way the trailer was cut, the teaser, the film, everything looks so like, oh my God, what next now? So Gyani Garu, my performance is ek taraf, और आपका म्युझिक एक तरफ. చాలా एलिव्हेट, मतलब इतना एलिव्हेट कर देता. मी काय सांगू तुम्हाला. आणि जेव्हा तुम्ही माझ्याशी मराठी बोललात तर मला असं वाटलं की थँक्यू. तितकंच येतं. बरं, मी तुला नंतर ट्रान्सलेट करेल याच्याबद्दल. बट थँक्यू, खरंच थँक्यू. आय थिंक इट takes a lot to find Hira, Gemstone, Pukhraj, what are the other, the diamond, sapphire, yellow sapphire. So here we have, without you guys, this is the film, and without you guys, I don't think we would be able to do that. Coming back to Chinni, na pranam nuvu, you are my heart, no? Mama, you okay, no? Harshita ji, you okay with that, right? I feel like she listens to me more than she listens to her mama, because even when the film got over, she's like, ma'am, tell no, she doesn't listen to me, she only listens to you. So I'm happy to have found a beautiful daughter in you, and even better actress. There are so many things I learned from you, the way you express with your eyes, the way you would just hug me. I would feel that energy. I'm not a mother in my life, but I don't know, this is an emotion which only you or Maheen, my last film, they've truly made me feel like this motherhood is such a strong emotion. And even if you see at the Academy, at the Oscars, the only person who's thanked the most is the mother.